What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon that comes to you guys with a brand new video, and today we have a video that was actually not meant to happen. Okay, it was not meant to happen, but it happened. This is the car review video that I've been hyping up on Instagram, asking you guys what car do you guys think I got. Like I said, this totally was not planned, but it just was a good deal. Before we even get started, I just want to say this is not my car. Though this is a car that's going to be on the channel, it is not my car. It's actually my girlfriend's car. I mean, this is a car that even I wanted myself for a little bit. I was looking about it, you know, I was thinking about it, and she pulled the trigger. So she traded her 2021 Accord. If you guys remember that video, she traded that Accord in, and we got something, in my opinion, that's a little bit better. Though it's not faster, it's better. You guys ready for the car reveal? You guys ready? There it is. Woo! Woohoo! A literal shit box. Woohoo! That's right, ladies and gentlemen. She got a 2022 Honda Civic Si. There was a good amount of you that thought, or that knew that I was gonna get this car, or that she was gonna get this car, or this car wasn't gonna be in the channel. And some of you guys guessed the 8.6, which
a lot of people guessed the 8.6.
I love you guys, because that car is what car I want to get. But we have the 2022 Honda Civic Si. Me personally, I'm a big fan of the design. Kind of moving around to the front here. I mean, I know you guys can see this everywhere, but if you guys, you know, I ain't no ridey rides or you know, I ain't no review YouTuber, but just look at it. So bubbly, so chillin'. Obviously, we got the SI here. This ain't no fakies, okay? You get what I mean? And are you excited?
I'm burping.
You excited?
I don't know why every time you pull that thing out, I just...
So this is a car, like I said, it's gonna be in the channel. I mean, there's some things that I kind of already want to do myself. You know, obviously we want to lower the car, get some wheels on it, get an intake for it. That's hopefully gonna be coming out soon by PRL. But I mean, she's overall really nice. I mean, it's a really nice car. We don't have a name for it yet. I already called it a her.
It's not a her, it's a him.
It's a him. But we don't have a name for him yet. But I mean, just kind of just doing a little walk around here. It's a very nice car. I'm gonna get you guys my first impressions in another video, but I just kind of really wanted to show you guys what car we got, what it is, and I'm truly excited. You want to pop the hood? Because we've never seen under there yet. There could be like a roach in there that we don't know about. I mean, I'm really liking this. It has like the headlights. I don't know if you guys remember, like these kind of look like jewels. I think they are jewels. I could be wrong. You know how to open it?
What the hell? What the fuck?
Get out of your face, huh?
Why is it different than all the other cars? Where is it?
It's probably deeper. Hold
Oh,
that.
got it. It's under.
It is still the same L15. I believe this is not a B7 like the 10 gen was. I believe this is a slightly different motor. How much different, honestly, I don't know. I've seen a couple things like the rods are a little bit thicker. Does that mean they're stronger? I'm not sure. But it is still the 1.5 turbocharged engine, which has VTEC, I believe. Surprised it doesn't say it on here. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. If this has VTEC, please let me know. But I'm pretty sure it has VTEC from the exhaust side. Obviously not like traditional VTEC. There's a lot of room to work down here though.
I was gonna say, I was like, you can fucking just grab that.
Like if you guys remember, well, the heat shield, they made even the heat shield easier. So I mean, you don't have to, wow, what the hell? This is so much easier to work with. Oh yeah, the cover, huh?
Supposed to be something here?
No, I think this is it. Like I said, I've never looked under the hood of any one of these before. But yeah, same motor. Supposedly it's a twin scroll turbo. That's what people are going by. I know PRL explained it as a not true twin scroll, so it is a different turbo in the newer SIs, which I'm truly excited to see what it can push and do. Intake over there, as always. I mean, it pretty much looks the same, but hopefully it can, you know, perform a lot better. Because if you guys don't remember the SI when I had it, when going full bolt-ons and everything, you needed a clutch like ASAP. You needed to get everything pretty much like stronger. So I know the transmission or the clutch is different. There's a dual mass flywheel or single mass. I think it's a single mass in this one. Single mass flywheel that's going to be hopefully holding more power. How true is that? I don't know. Same 18-inch wheels. I mean, I just like the styling of this. It's very, it's not out there like the 10 gens were. It's very subtle, but you know, with mods we can only make it better.
I feel like this car is more me than the Ford. The
Yeah.
Ford was
so big body. Yeah, the car was too big.
Fans.
What? But yeah, start her up. Let's hear a little start up. Ooh. Sounds nothing like the Type R. But I'm a fan of the side exhaust. Me personally, the middle exhaust was cool while it was here, but I'm a bigger fan of side exhaust. So thank you, Honda, for doing that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe one day we'll just have the single exit exhaust. We'll probably put one on here. But the interior is where it's at. The interior is really nice. I mean, everything from the vents itself, so being the screen, right? I like the screen right there. She doesn't like it. I like it more on top. It's more visible. The shifter, one thing I will complain about is I wish it was on the other side and the buttons were on the other side, just so it's more towards you, I guess I can say. That gives it more of like an 8th gen, 9th gen feel, I guess. All the red all around, you know, it's cool and all, but you guys know me, I don't like red in the Type R.
I do.
So same thing in the SI. Not a real huge fan of it, but it's not really outgoing. Cloth, as you guys can tell here, I like that better than the Type R, which is Alcantara and plastic all the way around. If you guys are excited for this build, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. We have a lot of things planned for this car that I'm just truly happy about. If you guys are super excited for this build, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, we have so many things planned. I have so many video ideas planned for this thing. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be amazing. I'm looking for coilovers for this car. If you guys know if the new SI suspension is the same as the last SI suspension, please comment down below so I can get some coilovers on this thing and get her lowered, because I believe every car needs to be lowered right away. So that's what we gotta do, baby. But the Type R, don't worry, is still here. The Type R is still in the family. I can't get rid of that thing. There's no way in hell I'll be able to. But I'm excited. So, like I said, if you guys are ready for the 2022 SI, let's be ready. You guys know how we did the 10 gen. You guys already know how we're gonna do the 11 gen. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. We're trying to hit 4K, hopefully very soon. And with a lot of you guys and a lot of new people trying to get into the 10 gens, don't worry, or the 11 gen, sorry, don't worry. I got a lot of content for this thing. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I will see you guys next time. Dab, peace.
You gonna do it for the back?
No. You excited, my dude? She's got a new cow.
Try not to show it.
Cannon.
Oh, idiot.